Hello guys, it's me Elise, and today's video we'll be learning how to change your account in Spotify. So without any further ado, let's get started. You need to make sure that Spotify is installed in your device, and once it's installed, then open the application like this. Click on your top left profile icon. It'll lead you to this page, this slider. After that, click on your profile again and settings and privacy. And scroll all the way down and you'll see the logout button. So click on the logout button and log into the account you want to log into. So this is how you switch your account in Spotify. I hope this helps. And if you want to create another account, you can do the same. You can log out and there comes an option of create account. And this is how you do account changing or account creation in Spotify. If you have any comments, then leave it on the comment box below. I'll see you until next time. And please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. It's me, Elise, signing off.